The person I got this from did not give me a reason why they replaced it. And the reason is because of probably one of the biggest failures of a toilet repair I've ever seen. So keep in mind, this is a pressure assist toilet. It's been converted to standard tank parts. And my guess is it didn't work very long because the tank parts are dated 2020. So, yeah, didn't work too well. Now let's see how it flushes. Basically just does that. And the flapper is stuck in the halfway position. Now it's going to close very, very slowly. Alright, I'll be back for the pressure flush. I'm back with the ultra flush, but I have put it on a pressure vessel like it's supposed to be. I used the 1.6 gallon Eco Flush from my 2006 Crane Economizer. Now one thing I just noticed is that on this little label here, it says, due to the corrosive nature of toilet bowl cleaners and deodorant blocks, use of these chemicals or any petroleum-based products in or on the Eco Flush, or tank, period, may damage the Eco Flush system and void warranty. Please refer to warranty. So, after tank, they added an extra period. Now let's see how this thing is supposed to flush. It does not get any visual rating because I've heard good and bad about these. I will give one after the tests.